Hi, today in front of me OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the additional settings. After that, click to screen recording and here you'll see sound section. Just if you wanna use a record mode video, you should turn off these two switchers. But if you wanna record the system sounds, click on the switcher to activate this option. And if you wanna comment something in your screen recording, you should tap on the switcher to record microphone sound. If you wanna, you sure can just use these two features separately or together, so that doesn't matter. Also, if you wanna activate the screen recorder settings by another way, you should just open notification panel shortcut and find here the screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.